a rolling monument to elegance and prestige. The 1966 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special. Brougham was more than just an automobile. It was a statement of power, luxury, and timeless sophistication. Built for those who demanded nothing but the finest, this land yacht defined an era when Cadillac reigned supreme. If you appreciate vintage automotive opulence at its peak, join our community and relive the legacy of one of the most exquisite Cadillacs ever crafted. From the moment it graced the streets, the 60 Special Brougham commanded attention with its imposing presence. Stretching over 227 inches in length, its sculpted body lines, refined chrome detailing, and signature stacked quad headlights made it an unmistakable icon. Cadillac's signature tail fins, though subtle compared to earlier models, added a touch of grandeur, while the handcrafted grille and intricate Fleetwood badging ensured this machine stood apart from the rest. Under the hood, a formidable 429 cubic inch V8 engine delivered 340 horsepower, ensuring effortless acceleration for a machine of its size. Paired with a turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission, the ride was as smooth as silk, effortlessly gliding over the pavement like a luxury yacht on a glassy sea. Engineering precision ensured whisper-quiet operation, making every journey feel like an escape into pure refinement. Step inside, and an opulent world of unmatched comfort unfolds. The Fleetwood 60 Special Brougham wasn't just a car, it was a mobile palace. Richly upholstered seats in fine brocade or leather, deep pile carpeting, hand-finished wood trim, and aircraft-inspired switchgear created an atmosphere of supreme indulgence. Power windows, a tilting steering wheel, automatic climate control, and an AM/FM signal-seeking radio were just a few of the cutting-edge luxuries Cadillac provided for its discerning clientele. This masterpiece of American craftsmanship wasn't just about comfort, it was about making an entrance. The exclusive Brougham package elevated its prestige even further with additional refinements, including a fully padded vinyl roof and even more sumptuous interior treatments. Reserved for those who sought an ultra-luxurious experience, it became the preferred choice of executives, dignitaries, and Hollywood elite. Today, the 1966 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special Brougham remains a highly sought-after classic, with well-preserved examples fetching impressive prices at auctions. Depending on condition and originality, values can range from tens of thousands to well over six figures for pristine, low-mileage models. Collectors and enthusiasts recognize it as one of Cadillac's finest achievements of American luxury automobiles. This was Cadillac at its absolute peak, graceful, commanding, and undeniably extravagant. What are your thoughts on this rolling masterpiece? Drop your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more legendary automotive stories.